Hello and welcome to the Selenium Python tutorial 10. It deals with Python automation testing with Selenium WebDriver Python. In this tutorial, you will learn about Selenium Python screenshot. A screenshot or Selenium Python snapshot is an image of the screen in a particular state. In test automation, you may want to take Selenium Python screenshot on failure for your bug reporting. Or you may want to take screenshots on success to keep your proof of testing. Directly taking a Python Selenium screenshot element is not feasible. In this Selenium WebDriver Python tutorial, I will write a function to take screenshots automatically. I will also use PIL or Python Imaging Library to modify a screenshot, to resize it, rotate it, or save in another format. You can use PIL to take an element screenshot by cropping that screenshot. So let us automate using Selenium WebDriver Python. Here is a Selenium Python example. In the PyCharm IDE, I have created a screenshots.py Python script and put some lines of code from Selenium import WebDriver, then given the executable path and the URL, then defined the driver variable. Now let us start writing the code. First, let us navigate to the URL driver.get and URL. Now in this particular state, I want to take a screenshot of the screen. Let me write a function. For that, I have created another Python script utilities.py. Now here I need to import time because my file name is going to depend on the current date and time. Then I can start defining the function def screenshot, and it's going to have a single parameter which will be the WebDriver. We can also give the documentation of our user defined function. Take the screenshot with the current date and time. Now I want to specify in which folder this screenshot will be there. Let me create a folder variable, and this is the folder which is currently empty. Now since this folder has a backslash, we need to escape it by putting another backslash before each backslash. And notice the backslash at the end also. Now we have the folder. Next I want to define a time string containing the date and time. So time string is equal to time library dot asc time. This gives us the current date and time. But since we want to use the current date and time in the file name, it cannot have colon in it. So let me use the replace function and replace colon with a single space. Now I have the folder and the time string. Now I can craft the file name. File name is equal to folder concatenated with the time string, and I just need to give the file extension which is .png. Now WebDriver screenshot Python. WebDriver has a method called save underscore screenshot. Save underscore screenshot, and it requires a single argument which is the file name. This is for Selenium Python screenshot as PNG. WebDriver also has another method to save the screenshot which is get underscore screenshot as file, and here also it needs the file name, but let us use the save screenshot method only. Now the utilities function screenshot is complete. Let us go back, and now in order to be able to use this function, we need to import utilities. import utilities, and the alias is u. Now after driver dot get URL, we can just take the screenshot, utilities dot screenshot, and call it with the argument driver, and then driver dot quit to close the browser. Now the script is complete. Let us run it to see how it works. Right click and run screenshots. This should navigate to the URL and then take the screenshot in the folder that I just showed you and close the browser. Selenium WebDriver has opened the browser. Selenium WebDriver has navigated to the web page and closed the web page. The script execution is now complete, and let us see in the folder that here is the screenshot. Let us delete this screenshot. Now in my previous tutorial we saw how to test the drop down with multiple values. So let us call this screenshot function here to take the screenshots automatically. So first what we need to do is import utilities, again use the alias as u, and within the loop, after it clicks on the calculate results button, let us call the screenshot method and call it with the argument driver. Right click and run the drop down values. Selenium WebDriver has opened the browser. Selenium WebDriver has opened the web page and it is testing it with multiple values. You can see in the distance text box, speed text box, and the drop down. Now because we have called the screenshot function, it's going to take screenshots for every set of test data. Let me fast forward this and I'll show you the screenshots once the script execution is complete. The script execution is now complete. Let me close this browser, and here in the folder we have all these screenshots taken automatically by calling a single function. So in the first screenshot it is testing with 15 minutes, 30 minutes, 45 minutes, 1 hour, like that. Let me delete all these screenshots. Now one thing about saving the screenshot, if the web page is long, we should scroll and call the screenshot method multiple times for Selenium Python screenshot full page. Now let us work with utilities and use Python imaging library here. So first we need to import the image from Python imaging library. From PIL import image and give the alias as I, and I'll write another function called modify screenshot. Modify screenshot, and it's going to have a single parameter which is f. First let us open the screenshot, define a picture variable. Picture is image.open and give the file name. Now we can resize this picture object. Picture is picture.resize, and we can give another resolution, for example 1280x654. Using PIL it's also possible to rotate the screenshot. Picture is equal to picture dot transpose, and we can rotate it by 90 degrees. or we can crop the picture to take only a Selenium Python screenshot element. Okay, I want to save the screenshot as .jpg. So picture is equal to picture, and I need to convert it using the RGB string because that is the format used by JPG. In Python the strings are immutable, so we cannot modify f. We have to create a new file name only. So f new is f dot replace, and here I want to replace .png in the file name with .jpg, and then we can save the modified screenshot, picture.save, and give the file name which is fnew. This saves a Python Selenium screenshot. Now this modify screenshot user defined function we can call from within the screenshot function only. Modify screenshot and give the argument as file name. Now let us run this script to see whether it creates two screenshots, a PNG screenshot and a modified JPG screenshot. Selenium WebDriver has opened the browser and navigated to the web page. First it should create the PNG screenshot and then the JPG screenshot. The script execution is complete, and here we have the PNG screenshot, which is what I showed you before, and this is the JPG, which you can see is resized and rotated, or we could have cropped it also to take Selenium Python screenshot element. That's it for Python browser automation in the Selenium WebDriver Python tutorial. Please see all my tutorials in the Selenium with Python training, and make sure to practice the Selenium examples yourself also. Thank you.